Fingers crossed that everything is thoroughly cooked and we have some edible dinner. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing good. Tonight we'll be doing foda-se. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing good. Tonight we're gonna do chicken in the oven in a way that I haven't done it before, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. So bear with me for another cooking video. And here we're starting with a couple of onions. Just quarter them and plate them in a baking tray. Any sort of baking tray would do. I like these Pyrex ones. Go ahead with some garlics, get your chicken legs, puzzle them in, or Tetris them in. Get the zucchini, chop the zucchini, put the zucchini on top of the onions and the garlic, roughly so, and pray. No, joking. A bunch of potatoes, small potatoes, they should cook thoroughly very quickly, and season everything with salt, pepper, and a very generous amount of olive oil. Make sure that it sort of fries from the bottom, which makes it nice and crunchy. So in the oven it goes, and I set my oven to 190 degrees Celsius for around 60 to 70 minutes. And I prepared a very quick salad in the meanwhile. To dress the chicken afterwards, using some cilantro, a bunch of butter, and mixing it all together so the butter melts with the chopped cilantro after the chicken comes out of the oven. And it's looking good. Everything is thoroughly cooked. The vegetables, the onions, the zucchini, the garlic, there it goes. And now all plated, you can see our oven recipe saves the day, saves the dinner, makes your wife happy, makes your cat happy, everybody's happy, you're healthy, you save money. What else can you ask for? Go with the salad, salad's always lovely. Now go ahead and try your variations. Change the vegetables, use different cuts of the chicken, use a whole chicken, adjust your cooking times, whatever you want to go for. Fail, try and fail, and you will succeed in the end. Ta-da!